Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your Fayaz cabin crew. In this video I'm going to show you the video visuals of the Pakistan International Airlines PK8303 crash happened on May 25th 2020 around 4:19 pm, in which 99 people were on board and 97 people got killed in this crash, which is a very big tragedy and a disaster in aviation happened on 25th May 2020. And 8 people were the crew. Total 89 passengers got killed. 2 passengers, 2 male passengers got survived in this crash. Not only that, the plane PK8303 crash landed in Karachi residential area. Many got dead in Pakistan as a plane plunges into Karachi houses.
The pilot noticed that 2 engines got lost. Due to that, pilot announced emergency, saying Mayday, 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 which means acute emergency. And he was attempting to take the belly landing, and before landing into Karachi, this tragedy happened. The plane was actually traveling from Lahore to Karachi. Exactly near to the Karachi, near the residential area, the plane got crashed. Now please listen to the last conversations happened between the ATC and pilot.
An 8303 approach.
जी सर.
Appears to be turning left.
We'll proceeding back, sir. We have lost engines.
Confirm you are carrying out belly landing. Runway available to land at 25.
Roger. Clear. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Pakistan 8303.
Pakistan 8303. Roger, sir. Both runways available to land.
So this is what the last conversation happened between the ATC, that is air traffic controller, and the pilot. So I can feel from your end, friends, how it feels to you after seeing this video. Even I couldn't control my emotions. I felt literally very sad after listening to this tragedy happened on that day. So I just thought of sharing this view to you. So my sincere sympathies and condolences to their families. They are all literally very innocents who were traveling to their hometowns by taking all the gifts and everything to spend the valuable time with their kids, children, with the family members in the Eid time, that is Ramzan. So this incident literally took in the dark time to their families. But we all can do only one thing. Let us all pray together to their families to give strength. God bless everyone. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Please do not put any sensible comments. Thank you so much. Bye bye.